St.Peter's Engineering College and UGC Autonomous Institution, accredited by NBA and NAC with A grade, welcomes you all for the valedictory of 5-day national level faculty development program on SCILAB in association with IIT Bombay through spoken tutorial.
Good morning, friends. This is TV Reddy, Secretary and Correspondent of St. Peter's Engineering College, Hyderabad. I'm very happy that the next session of FDP program in association with IIT Mumbai is coming to an end today. And the buzzword in all engineering colleges is FDP. And people are all busy collecting their participation certificates and all that. But when it comes to FDP conducted by the IIT Mumbai, Bombay, the spoken tutorials, speciality is it's all outcome based. Every faculty member who have been a part of it, it's the certificate is not based on the attendance and participation, but the outcome. That is, people have to take part in the quiz and then get a minimum score to get a certificate. And for that, more than 2,000 registrations is an awesome number for more than 700 colleges and almost all 24 states and more than 2-3 other countries, including China. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the coordinator from IIT Bombay, Ms. Pooja, our principal, Dr. Srilata, conveners for this particular program, Dr. Sarita and Dr. Sharda Varalakshmi, the coordinators, Mr. Mukherjee and Mr. Ravi Kumar. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the trainers and more importantly, all the participants for coming and showing your interest here. I would like to wish that all of you are going to get successful in this and then get certificates.
Respected Secretary and Correspondent of St. Peter's Engineering College, Sri TV Reddy Garu, Training Coordinator, Mrs. Pooja from IIT Bombay, Organizers for today's event, Dr. Sarita, Head of the Department Basic Sciences, and Dr. M. Sharada Varalakshmi, Head of the Department Computer Science and Engineering, Organizing Coordinators for the Today Faculty Development Program on SCILAB, Mr. Ravi Kumar and Mr. Fani Mukherjee, participants from various colleges in India and abroad, a very good afternoon one and all. I welcome you all for this valedictory event. I thank all the members for participating actively in this faculty development program on SCILAB in association with IIT Bombay. We are very happy with this overwhelming response, and I am very happy to announce that around 1400 participants have actively participated from 700 different colleges from 24 states. 2 faculty members also joined from China. I thank Madam Pooja for constantly encouraging us and permitting us to do various training programs for all faculty and students. Initially, we started this sort of outcome-based training program with Computer Science Engineering Department, where the response was alarming and we received around 1100 participants. Followed by today's faculty development program on SCILAB, organized by the Department of Science and Humanities. And now, we are extending this remote learning training program through spoken tutorial for the students also. We planned for a training program from 24th June onwards on QCAD for mechanical, electrical and civil engineering students for 3 days. I congratulate all the participants on their successful completion and I thank all the faculty members for joining us. I request the participants to go through our college website www.stpetershyd.com for regular updates on various training programs. I congratulate our coordinators and head of the departments for always helping the faculty by conducting various training programs, and I especially thank our management for regularly encouraging us to do these sort of training programs. Thanks one and all. I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity. Thank you very much.
A very good morning to you all. Respected Secretary and Correspondent, St. Peter's Engineering College, Sri TV Reddy Garu, Principal, Dr. K. Srilata Ma'am, Training Coordinator for the spoken tutorial, Mrs. Pooja Singh Ma'am, Coordinators of the Faculty Development Program, Mr. Fani Mukherjee and Mr. Ravi Kumar, and most importantly, all the participants of Faculty Development Program. Myself, Dr. M. Sarita, Head of the Department, Science and Humanities Department, and convener of the Faculty Development Program welcomes you all for the valedictory of 5-day national level Faculty Development Program on SCILAB organized by Science and Humanities Department of St. Peter's Engineering College in association with IIT Bombay through spoken tutorial. It is extremely gratifying to note that we had 1400 active participants from 700 colleges all over India and abroad who have successfully completed daily quiz for all the 5 days of the FDP. I appreciate the zeal and passion of all those participants towards the faculty development program on SCILAB. We have together learned and empowered ourselves a lot through self-explanatory tutorial project on SCILAB. This knowledge will be no doubt be valuable as we go forward in life. I feel happy to acknowledge that we have gained immense expertise and hope we have attained the desired outcome also. On this success note, I would like to thank our Secretary Sir for providing our Science and Humanities Department an opportunity to conduct this mega FDP program. My special gratitude towards Dr. K. Srilata Ma'am, Principal, St. Peter's Engineering College, for stimulating and motivating us in all aspects for the smooth conduction of FDP program. Also, my deep sense of appreciation for the organizing coordinators, Mr. Fani Mukherjee sir and Mr. Ravi sir, who stood as the pillars of strength for the success of this FDP. I thank each and every participant of various colleges and from various streams for your enthusiastic learning and practice of SCILAB. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. I request all the participants to do practice on SCILAB. Very soon, all active participants will get login credentials for the SCILAB for the common test conducted by IIT Bombay. Those who clear the test will achieve course completion certificate from IIT Bombay along with the participation certificate from St. Peter's Engineering College. All the best. Keep practicing. Thank you all wholeheartedly for giving me this great opportunity.
Come to draw a curtain to our faculty development program as we come to the close of it. A very warm welcome to the galaxy of intellectuals, guests, professors, students and research scholars. I am Ravi Kumar Kundle, organizer of this FDP from St. Peter's Engineering College. It is a matter of immense pride to stand here in front of you all on this occasion. For the last 5 days, we have had deep insights into several topics on SCILAB. We had the participants from local, national and international level for enlightening their both theory and practical skills in SCILAB. Thank you all. I would like to share some statistics on this FDP. We had 2,400 plus registrations. Among them, 1,440 active faculty members, and the remaining are students of various colleges and universities throughout the nation. We have 1,440 participants for SCILAB FDP. Those are from 700 and odd colleges as well as 24 states and from different countries. Finally, 1,300 faculty have successfully completed their course by participating the quiz every day. The students are learned the course by following the schedule every day. We have maintained a Telegram group with 1,441 active participants for this FDP. We have sent 2,400 mails twice in a day to all the registered members. I would like to convey thankfulness to all the participants for their immense patience and curiosity about learning new things in SCILAB. It is a great pleasure to serve all these people as an organizer of this FDP. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Secretary TV Reddy Garu and the Principal, the source of inspiration with vast enthusiasm, dedication towards her duties, Srimati Dr. Srilata Garu, and beloved HOD and convener Dr. M. Sarita Garu and Yavareng Mukherjee Garu for making me as a part of this program. Dr. Sarita Madam, HOD of Science and Humanities Department, the key person beyond this FDP, ever encouraging person. I would like to thank her for giving me this opportunity. On behalf of entire institute, I would like to thank the honorable guest, Mrs. Pooja Singh, Training Manager, Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay, NME ICT, MHRD, Gout of India. No words to measure the support and assistance that we received from Mrs. Pooja. Her help and encouragement at each and every level during this program made it successful. We, as the Department of Science and Humanities, very much thankful to you, ma'am. We hope you will prefer this college for your future plans. For any glitches, miscommunications that have occurred during these days, we express our apology. We are going to forward the feedback link in the Telegram group as well as in mails. E-certificates will be provided when the feedback is completed. And finally, I would like to thank each and every person in the Science and Humanities Department for encouraging and giving the support.
Hello everyone, I'm Pooja Singh, Training Manager of Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay for Telangana State. I thank you all for your enthusiastic response for the 1 week FDP. Good to hear that 1,200 plus participants were actively participating on daily basis for FDP. In this regard, first of all, I would really appreciate the effort taken by Professor Ravi Kumar for coordinating and conducting the FDP during such situation, and a big thanks to the management of St. Peter's Engineering College for supporting him and appreciating to conduct the training program in the college. As you all have registered for FDP in St. Peter's Engineering College, e-certificate will be provided to the participants from Spoken Tutorial, and the test will be scheduled in the month of July, for which you will receive email from Spoken Tutorial team. So please save the credential which we are going to send to you from Spoken Tutorial site, so that you can appear the exam and get the completion certificate as well. Once again, I welcome you all for becoming the part of Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay program. Stay safe and healthy. Jai Hind.
Good morning, bonjour, namaste, sat sri akal, and salam alaikum. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Mukherjee, on behalf of St. Peter's Engineering College, extend my sincere thanks to Almighty. First of all, I would like to propose a hearty vote of thanks to our Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. TV Reddy, for gracing today's closing session on 5 days SCILAB FDP. Thank you, sir, for your very interesting and thought-provoking address. On my own behalf and organization behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Mrs. Pooja, who spared her time to successfully organize this 5 days FDP. As you all know, the organization of such events are generally the result of close cooperation between Spoken Tutorials IIT Bombay and our institute. It is my great pleasure to express on behalf of the organizers and on my own behalf a deep appreciation for the support and encouragement provided by such collaboration. All this would have been impossible without the support of Principal Dr. Srilata, and also we recognize with gratitude her significant contribution. Event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning and bird's eye for successful execution. At this point, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank Dr. Sarita, HOD, Science and Humanities Department for scheduling, planning, and effective execution of this webinar. I thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of the tasks beyond their comfort zones. A big thanks for my colleague, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor, for being a bridge between spoken tutorials and the participating delegates. I am sure that all the participants have taken note of the suggestions and will be successfully getting their course completion certificate on SCILAB from IIT Bombay. We are very much owed to Almighty, and I continuously pray to the omnipresent and omniscient to provide us such opportunities in plenty. Thanks to one and all who involved directly and indirectly. Jai Hind.